We started the first lesson. Yes, what is the name of the lesson? Town mouse and country mouse. Once upon a time, there lived there lived two mice. They were cousins, and uh, this town mouse is suffering from some illness, so it wanted to visit and stay for some time in a village. So it reached village, but it didn't like the village atmosphere, the food of the village, and the calmness of the village. So immediately it returned to its own place. After some time, the country mouse wrote a letter. Wrote a letter. Cousin, how are you? After going to your own place, you didn't wrote a letter. How you were? How is your health? It asked like that. For that, she wrote a letter. Who wrote a letter? The country mouse wrote a letter. The country mouse wrote a letter. On seeing the letter, what happened? Yes. And what is the letter? Yes. Mouse hole, mouse country, 22nd March. Dear cousin, I hope you are well. I am worried about you. I am worried about you. When you visited my place, you are suffering from illness and cough and some problem. How are you feeling? Are you good? I am thinking about your health. Like that, it wrote a letter. The country mouse wrote a letter. On seeing the letter, what is the reaction of the town mouse? Look at the screen. The town mouse received the letter and read it since it was in hurry. Since it was in hurry, it sent it sent a telegram to the country mouse. Here is his telegram. As the town mouse is very busy because the town life is very busy, no? So on reading the letter, it has no time to write a letter. So it gave a small messaged telegram. What is the telegram? Yes, overjoyed. I'm so happy I'm receiving your letter. Come soon. You want to see me here? Okay, you come soon. Town mouse. Who gave this telegram? Yes, the town mouse gave the telegram. A few days later, the country mouse arrived in the town. After some time, the town mouse uh, received the country mouse because the country mouse reached town. He was surprised by the noise and the lights. On seeing the lights and hearing the sounds, the country mouse was terrified, afraid. Hey, what is this sounds? What are these lights? Every time, night and day, there are lights. What is going on here? Why there were lights even in the middle of the night? He asked. The country mouse asked, why there are lights here in the night also? Hey, this is the town. His cousin replied, here there are lights even in the middle of the day. Hey, you're thinking about night, but in the middle of the day also, you can see lights in the town. And what is this dreadful noise and never stops? Asked the country mouse. I'm always hearing some dreadful, very horrible sounds. What are those horrible sounds? Asked the country mouse. That is the traffic, the town mouse replied. That is the noise made by buses, lorries, cars, and aeroplanes. That is the sounds of the traffic. There will be heavy traffic in the cities, heavy traffic in the towns, and the sounds of that traffic never ends in the town. So there is continuous sounds in the city. But the country mouse didn't like it at all. All this noise had made my headache. He said, could I have some water to drink? Oh God. On hearing all these sounds, I am suffering from headache. Can I have a glass of water? Why only water? Said the town mouse. Look at what there is for you. Ice cold lemonade, orange juice. Which one do you want? Want only water? Asked the town mouse. No need to drink water. We have lots of drinks like lemonade, orange, etc. etc. What do you want? What do you drink? What do you prefer to drink? Some water. Just some water, answered the country mouse. Asked the country mouse. Some water and a little bit of food. Some water and a little bit of food. Some tender root or sugar cane root, etc. It's a small amount of food and a glass of water. The glass of water. I have plenty of food, cousin, said the town mouse proudly. No need of small amount of food. I have plenty of food. I have lots of food, said the town mouse proudly. Proudly. It said very proudly. Garvanga చెప్పిందన్నమాట. He can, you can eat as much as you like. You can eat as much as how much you want. You can eat. You want this much, you can eat, said the town mouse. Sure enough, he the house of the town mouse at the back of the kitchen cupboard was full of most delicious food. It is real because in the kitchen cupboard there is a lot of delicious food. What is that food? Yes, there are bread and jam, different kinds of fruits, slabs of chocolate, and huge pieces of lovely cheese. There is lot of food in the kitchen cupboard. That is the that is the residing place of a town mouse. We have lot of fruits there. There is lots of different types of fruits like bananas, apples, mangoes, etc. Slabs of chocolate, lots of chocolates are there, and piece of lovely cheese, etc., etc. Eat, cousin, eat, said the town mouse. Town mouse offered a lot. You can see here in the diagram in the kitchen cupboard. Yes, fruits, melon, watermelon, mango, grapes, bread, cheese, jam, chocolates, etc. Eat, eat, cousin, eat, said. But just then there was sound like a thunder, and the town mouse shouted, "Run, cousin, run, run, run!" On starting eating, the town mouse shouted, "Run, run, 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 run." Why? Because there is a big noise in the kitchen cupboard. The town mouse pushed the country mouse out through the hole in the back of the cupboard. The country mouse felt his heart beating very fast. On saying that, the town mouse pushed the country mouse into the hole, and the country mouse felt very heart attack like feeling. Its heart running very fast, like that. But what is it? He asked. After some time, the country mouse asked, "What happened? What is that sound?" "Shh," whispered the town mouse. "Shh," whispered the town mouse. "Wait, wait, wait, wait. Shh, shh, don't talk, said the town mouse. Said the town mouse. Later, what happened? When everything was silent again, the town mouse kept out of the hole. He was cheerful again. What happened? Because someone opened the kitchen cupboard door. So the rats flew away. After some time, when everything was silent, after the kitchen cupboard closed, everything became silent. The town mouse crept into the hole. It crept into the hole. It entered into the hole very slowly. He was cheerful again. Now it is very jovial now. But come out now, cousin, he said. That was the only somebody opened the cupboard. We are safe now. No need to bother. Someone opened the kitchen cupboard. So we got that much sound. Now uh, there is no danger. You can come out. But They were not safe for long. Twice more, they had to run for safety because somebody opened the cupboard. But immediately, two, three times, the house owners opened the kitchen cupboard so that the two mice started running, hiding someplace. Dankoda, Mali coming back. And someone opening the kitchen cupboard, and the two mice running very fastly and hiding somewhere. After some time, it is coming back. On seeing all this, what will happen? Yes, definitely. The country mouse got quite tired of running and hiding. The country mouse felt was very tired. Oh God, what is this? Running, hiding. What is going on here? Oh, I don't like it. I want to go back to my country, he said. We may not get much food there, but at least we can eat in peace. In my town, I may not, in my city, in my village, I may not get this much of food, but the small amount of food I can eat very peacefully, very happily, no need of hurry burry or running, hiding, etc. etc. So the next day, the country mouse went back to his house, stayed in his cupboard in the town. And as far as I know, they did not visit each other. Immediately, the second day, the country mouse went back to its country. As far as I know, the two mice didn't visit one place each other. They didn't, and the town mouse didn't visit country, and the country mouse didn't visit town because they don't like their atmospheres, the different atmospheres. So this is the lesson. Okay.